We are recognizing the best songs in the past year.
And we kick off with a genre that spotlights smooth rhythms and lyrics that speak straight to the heart. This is R&B at its finest.
And here are the nominees for Wish R&B Song of the Year.
Wish R&B Song of the Year. I'll Be Somebody You Want, Julian. Pati ng Ulan, Chica Marie. Sining, Dianella featuring Dick. Wag Kang Bibitaw, Sean Jr.
And the Wish R&B Song of the Year is
Dianella featuring Jack. Sining!
First of all, I want to thank God for giving me life to experience this. And I want to say thank you also as well sa girlfriend ko, kay Maisie. I want to say thank you kay Kuya JR, kay Beanie Stacy, thank you, Stats. Sa UMG family, thank you so much. Sa Wish, of course, thank you, Wish. And I just want to congratulate every artist na nandito sa lugar na to. I just want to remind you na I don't think God gave this opportunity and talent na to sa atin just for our own satisfaction, for fame or for wealth. I just want to remind you na I think God put this within us to start a dream sa buhay ng iba na nandito. I remember, umaattend ako sa Wish Awards, nandun ako sa audience. Now, nandito na ako sa stage. Man, I just want to say, don't stop believing. Your faith is your limit. Oh God!
Congratulations, Dianella and JR. They will also receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. A total of 100,000 pesos will be donated to PGH Foundation and enhancing, nurturing, disciplining, empowering, restoring Daycare Incorporated, IT Tender, courtesy of Medical Depot.
Alright, this next category is all about the songs that define rock and alternative.
That's right, DJ Faye. And these songs with raw emotions, tasteful instrumentations, and an edge that keeps us moving and coming back for more.
And here are the nominees for Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year.
Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year. Bulaklak sa Buwan, Ellie Buendia. Ikot, Over October. Kanako, Philip. Museo, Eliza Matura. Segurista, Zil.
And the Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year is...
Philip Cadaver!
Accepting the award on behalf of Eliza Matuna, is Celine Ferros, Warner Music General Manager, Marketing and Business. Accepting the award on behalf of Philip is Celine Ferros, Warner Music General Manager, Marketing and Business.
Okay. On behalf of Philippe, I'd like to thank Wish Music Awards for this recognition. Thank you to the team behind Team Philippe and Warner Music Philippines. And most importantly, thank you to his fans, A-Team, C-Series, F-Stands. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you.
He will also take home a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be granted to Enhancing, Nurturing, Disciplining, Empowering, Restoring Daycare Incorporated, IT Center, courtesy of Medical Depot.
All right, for our next award.
This time's tell, they are recognizing songs that blend poetic lyrics with heart-stirring melodies.
Ooh, okay, so here are the nominees for Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year.
Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year. Allegoria, Muni Muni. Iyakin, Shane Dandan. Love Is, The Ridleys. Nene, Sunkissed Lola. Umaykan, Noel Cabano.
And the Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year is...
Noel Cabaron and Mike Gab.
Una sa lahat, happy 10th Anniversary Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat sa pagkilala na ito, sa recognition na ito. In music, we have to be conscious also of promoting our local culture, our language, at marami pong mga kwento na dapat nating ikwento sa pamamagitan ng musika. Maraming salamat Wish Music Awards for your support to original Filipino music. Salamat po sa recognition nito. Thank you. Also, thank you to my label, Widescope Entertainment. Thank you, Widescope.
Congratulations, Mr. Noel Cabahon. He will also have a 25,000 peso cash prize. Meanwhile, Tondo Community Initiative for Development Foundation Incorporated will get 100,000 pesos, courtesy of Medical Depot.
And now, we are down to our last category for this set. And it's a category that embodies catchiness and universal appeal.
And here are the nominees for Wish Pop Song of the Year.
Wish Pop Song of the Year. Apat na Buwan, Janine. Kaibigan, Justin. One-Sided Love, G22. Antropico, Pili. Sarili Mundo, DJ Montero.
And the Wish Pop Song of the Year.
Ito po yung una naming award this year and that is even more special. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ng ABS-CBN, to our team, Team Beanie, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our drums! Thank you so much! Yes, thank you so much for the love and support. Beanie is not Beanie, kundi dahil sa never-ending support nyo, guys. And of course, thank you so much, Wish Music Awards, for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song, Pantropico, Angelica Ortiz, Jumbo de Belen, Paula Chavez, Mark Alavides. Thank you so much po. All glory to God!
Congratulations, Beanie. They will also receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to Philippine Food Bank Foundation, Incorporated, courtesy of Pure Gold.
Congratulations to all the winners!
Yes, congratulations, Beanie. Pa-picture mamaya.
Grabe talaga, nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Napakaganda na ng mga kanta, napaka-big time na ng mga artists, at talagang mahal na mahal sila ng kanilang mga listeners.